I used to hide behind closed doors, afraid of her, of wanting more. He walked in with no loud sound, just steady steps on shaky ground. Walls I built began to bend from quiet talks that never end. He said, "You're safe, just breathe, you'll see." And slowly I said, "Peace is free." Still scared of what I might expose, but in his calm, the comfort grows. He listens deep, no need to try, and somehow knows when not to pry. Is this love? It might be real in every look and how I feel. No rushing hearts, no fire to prove, just steady hands that help me move. He laughs and light fills every space, like I belong, like I found grace. I'm not used to being seen, but he holds me where I've been. Once I feared the world outside, now I crave him by my side. And if I fall, I hope he stays to guide me through the healing haze. I still get lost in all I lack, but he's the map that brings me back. So this is love, no grand display, just choosing me